Very good evening, everyone. Jeremy here, quantstrategic.com.sg, and I'm going to talk about a recap on the Straits Times Index of DBS Bank, OCBC Bank, as well as UOB Bank on the trading week closing the 5th of March 2021. I'm pretty excited about the prospects of the bank industry in Singapore due to the technical analysis. You can look at the charts of UOB Bank since 1988. Very nice bullish, higher highs, higher lows, and the all-time high at $3.27. What is significant last week is that we had a very, very nice long signal at 26.75 after the last short signal that was issued in March last year. All right, so 10 months exactly after the corrective action of DBS Bank, we finally have a long-term uptrend for DBS Bank. It's official, and the target is $28.69, and then the all-time highs of $31.27. Now, looking at OCBC Bank right now, you can see a similar pattern: higher high, lower low, higher highs, higher lows. And since 2006, OCBC Bank closed at an all-time high of $14.03. And what is more significant is that recently the stock basically cleared and broke the super trend line at $11.49 on the 1st of March, and now it's on target, on track to touch and test $12.20 and its all-time high of $14.03. So this long signal that was issued here has broken this downtrend that was started on the 2nd of December 2019 for OCBC Bank, with a nice V-shaped recovery. So it's important for next week to see whether the OCBC Bank, clears this cloud line on the SSSA, breaks 1220, and maybe holds above for at least a couple of months before it's going higher to touch $14.03. So very similar price action to DBS Bank, long-term uptrend for OCBC as well as DBS Bank. So let's look at the other big component on the STI Bank stock, which is United Overseas Bank, and the data over the past since 1988. You can see that UOB Bank has made higher highs, higher lows, and the all-time high is at $30.34. But unlike DBS and OCBC Bank, we have not broken this pivot at $25.45. All right, so since DBS and OCBC has already broken the pivot to the upside, it may be able to break this pivot next week. Watch out for this, as the entire month of March is pretty important to determine the technical strength of UOB Bank. If we are able to break this pivot at 25.45, 25.65, then we might be able to test $27.93. All right. So to sum up, DBS Bank and OCBC Bank are destined to grind a little bit higher on a technical strength. They are all on multiple time frame analysis, as in the shorter term charts, the weekly charts, as well as the monthly charts are all on uptrend, and all this will be on the blog if you go to quantstrategic.com.sg. And UOB Bank currently is the laggard, and it will break. And if it breaks $25.65, it will follow DBS and OCBC to test the next technical levels in their price targets. So just go to the blog, quantstrategic.com.sg. You'll see the levels there. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to click the like button if you find this video helpful for your investment decisions. Have a good evening.